Hello students, good morning all of you, and today is my 13th online video classes of class 9 geography chapter 2, that is physical features of India. As yesterday I told you about the islands groups, that is about the Lakshadweep Islands and the Andaman Islands, and I explain you about the corals that is found in the Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Island, it is composed of small corals, and today I will tell you about the corals. First, see what do we mean by corals. Corals क्या है? See, corals polyps are short-lived microscopic organisms that lived in colonies. Once again listen. Coral polyps are short-lived microscopic organisms which live in colonies, and they flourish in shallow, mud-free and warm water. Okay, they originate. It means they originate in shallow, mud-free and warm water. There they flourished. It means they originate. They secrete calcium carbonate in the form of juices. Okay, they secrete calcium carbonate, and the coral secretions and their skeletal forms, corals deposit in the form of reefs. corals के जो सिक्रेशन होते हैं, जो उनके लार के द्वारा निकलते हैं या स्केलेटन के रूप में वो फॉर्म होते हैं, और पूरे स्केलेटन जो है जब वो डेथ करते हैं, मरने के बाद एक जगह हो जाते हैं, तो एक जगह बनने के बाद वो रीफ बन जाते हैं. उसको रीफ कहते हैं. ओके, उसको रीफ कहते हैं. स्केलेटन जो मरने के बाद, जो उसके कोरल्स जो मरने के बाद एकत्रित होकर के जमाव को रीफ कहते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी देयर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ रीफ्स. First, know what is reef. Reef means the secretions of the corals, of the skeletons, forms the coral reefs. There are 3 kinds of reefs. First one is Great Barrier Reef, Fringing Reef, and atolls. How many kinds of? There are 3 kinds of reefs: Great Barrier Reef, Fringing Reef, and atolls. Great Barrier Reef, today it is found in the Australia, and the atolls, they are circular or horseshoe shape. It is found in the form of horseshoe shape. Okay, it means it is look like as a horseshoe shape or in circular form. Okay, this is about the corals. Now the next topic is the conclusion of the chapter 2, physical features of India. As we study in this chapter about the physiographic division of India and the theory of plate tectonics, as I told you, the plates movements are of 3 types, that is convergent boundary, divergent boundary, and transform boundary. Now see the physiographic divisions. There are 6 physiographic divisions of India. That is the Himalaya mountain, the northern plains, the Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, the deserts, and the islands. Now these features, however, it is clear that each region complements the other and makes the country richer in its natural resources. It means every physical features have its importance for our country. Every features has importance for the country. For just see first one, that is the Himalaya mountain. It is situated in the northern part of our country and it is stretched from northwest to the east part of our India, from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Himalaya mountain, its importance is that it is the source of many rivers and forest wealth. Okay, this Himalaya mountains has its own importance also, that it act as a barrier for our country, and it also responsible for the monsoon rain, and it also save us from the cold wind coming from the Central Asia. Next is the northern plain. As I told you, northern plain, it is best for the agricultures and it is the granaries of our country. Its importance is that northern plain is the granaries of our country. Next is the Peninsula Plateau. The Peninsula Plateau is the storehouse of the minerals which support many industries. Okay, the coastal plains and the islands, its importance is it is used as a port activities and fishing. Next to the desert. Desert, we know it is importance that there we find so many mica in the desert regions. Clear? Now see, thus the diverse physical features of the land have immense future possibilities of the development in our country. Student, now tomorrow I will tell you about the exercise question answers of chapter 1. Okay, thank you.